Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video we are going to be making a rosemary oil for your hair. Okay, for ingredients, we're going to use grapeseed oil along with castor oil as our carrier oils. We're going to use grapefruit essential oil for fragrance, and then the star of the show we're going to be using rosemary. A beaker to mix our product together, a funnel to pour our product effectively, and then a bottle of your choice to store your product. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is mix our oil. So I'm going to take castor oil along with grapeseed oil. Be sure to use whatever type of oil that you would like. I just use these type of oils because they are great for hair growth. So I'm going to mix those two oils together. So now what we're going to do is warm up our oil. By doing so, we will be able to have a better releasing property from the rosemary later. So I am going to be using a double boiler method to do this. Basically, a double boiler method is when you take a pot of boiling water and you're going to place another pot over top and warm up the oil in that way. After about 15 minutes, we're going to completely let our oil cool down. So after this has completely cooled, I am going to be adding grapefruit essential oil. Please feel free to use whatever essential oil you would like. I chose grapefruit because it's antibacterial and antimicrobial, which is great for the overall scalp health and reducing dandruff. Now this oil is ready to go. I store my oil in a 4-ounce pump bottle, but you can store it in any type of container that you would like. This oil is good for about 12 months. This oil is really good for the entire family to enjoy. Rosemary oil is really good to stimulate and promote healthy hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for your support. I love you and see you next time.